Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna teach you the common error in the word ability. This is Ching Chang. So you can say this video is discuss about the common error or the English grammatical error, the word ability. So started with a first example. So these machines are destroying are destroying our ability of thinking. These machines are destroying our ability of thinking. So I'm using the ability, these machines are destroying our ability of thinking. So you can see these machines are destroying our ability of thinking. So this is where you can find the grammatical common error. This is not a grammatical, this is a grammatical mistake. This is a common error, the ability of. Here you can see the ability of. Don't use the ability of thinking. Use the ability to ability, ability to thinking. Always use ability to instead of ability of. Ability of is a this is a incorrect. Ability of. Always use the ability to thinking. So ability. So the main logic is always use the ability to do. Always use the ability after ability. Always use the to or do some or do. So you can say that nobody doubt this ability to get the job done quickly. We need someone in the ability to work under the intense person. So the ability to get the job. So you can I can write. So his ability to get the job. So we need someone with the ability to work under intense pressure. So with the ability, so we can write with the ability to work under intense pressure. So we can you can see this is a first example. So always use the ability to instead of ability of. So now I'm going to the second example. So the second example is, this is a first example, this is the second example. I want to improve my ability of reading. So I'm using the word ability. So the main discuss is ability, the word, the ability. So I want to improve my ability of reading. So here is the main common error is the ability of reading. The main error, ability of doing something, ability of doing something. So the main correct is my reading ability. This is the correct, this is the incorrect, and this is the correct. My reading ability. The main logic is always use the main logic is you can say the reading, writing, or teaching, acting, or doing ability, always use the doing ability, reading ability, writing ability, teaching ability, acting ability. So I want to improve my teaching ability, I want to improve my writing ability, I want to improve my reading ability. Don't use the I want to improve my ability of reading, or ability of teaching, or ability of acting. Don't use. It is a common error. Ability of reading, it is a common error. So use the my reading ability, teaching ability, doing anything, doing ability. So you can see the my acting ability was recognized at a very early age. So you can say my acting ability was recognized. My acting ability was recognized at very early age. So now I'm going to the second exam, third example. This is the first example. So again I am discussed. So always ability to thinking, ability to doing something. So and the second is always using the writing, teaching, acting ability, doing ability. So third example is I want to improve my ability of English. I want to improve my ability of English. Here you can see the I write here the my ability of English. You can see that English is a language. So ability of English, or ability of Bengali, ability of Hindi, or Spanish. So here English, Bengali, Hindi, and Spanish, everything is a language. The word are using for language. So here the ability, don't use ability of English. So this is a common error. ability in English. Ability in any language. So main logic is the main logic is always use the ability after ability use always in then language. So ability in language, or you can say the ability or language or subject. So you can say I want to improve my ability in math, or ability in economics, or ability in Sanskrit. So the second ability, so I want to improve my ability in both Espanol and Ruski. I want to improve my ability always use the in both Espanol and Russian, or you can say ability in both mathematics and biology. Here you can see the Espanol is the language, and mathematics and biology are a subject. So again we discuss, so ability, don't use the ability of, always use the ability to. Always use the ability to. This is the ability to, ability to do something. And the second example is always reading, writing, teaching, and acting and doing something. Acting ability, teaching ability, writing ability, reading ability. I want to improve my acting ability, or this is the second example. And third example, always use in after ability when in ability in language, ability in language or any subject. So I want to improve my ability of English, or ability in Bengali, or ability in Hindi, or you can say the ability in any mathematics subject, biology subject. When you are this is a subject, always use the in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new grammatical error. Bye bye.